Are you looking for the best compact treadmills? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best treadmills on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. NordicTrack T-Series Treadmill. The Best Compact Treadmill for Home award goes to the T-Series 6.5S by NordicTrack. NordicTrack has always been a big name in the treadmill industry since it was founded in the 1970s. The company specializes in commercial-grade treadmills, but their compact, home-friendly models are just as impressive. The T-Series 6.5S is specifically designed with NordicTrack's innovative Space Saver feature, which not only makes it easy to fit in your home gym, but also comes with an easy lifting feature so that you can move it into storage with ease. Users love that the treadmill folds up easily with dimensions of 38-inch L x 36W x 67.5H when folded and 73 L x 36W x 54H when unfolded. The real thing, though, that makes the 6.5S the best compact treadmill is its motor performance. It has a horsepower of 2.6 with a speed range of 0 to 10 miles per hour. This smart response motor is built for effective speed, interval, and endurance training. Plus, you can adjust the track to reach a 10% incline. Even with its small size, the machine has an impressive 300-pound weight limit. Another loved feature of the 6.5S is the advanced console. Some less tech-savvy runners feel that there are too many buttons, but others love that the console offers so many customizable features. There are even an auxiliary music port and dual 2-inch speakers to stay entertained while you walk or run. Included with your purchase, NordicTrack includes a 1-month iFit membership, which comes with tons of personal training programs for cardio. The only complaint is that the tread belt is shorter than standard treadmills. It's 55-inch instead of 60, but that's because it's designed specifically to save space. Number 2. ProForm 505 CST Treadmill. The ProForm 505 CST is a compact folding treadmill that can be folded up, moved, and stored faster than you can say, "Let's go for a run." According to ProForm, you don't have to sacrifice your living space for your fitness habit anymore. With this innovative space saver design, you can simply fold your treadmill deck up and out of the way when you're done with your workout. Just like the NordicTrack, this treadmill comes with all the features you need for a great workout. It's built with a digital quick incline adjuster between 0 and 10% and a speed range between 1 and 10 miles per hour. The belt width is slightly skinnier than the 6.5S belt, measuring just 20 inches instead of 22. This isn't ideal if you prefer a wider running surface, but it's not an issue for most people. Large-bodied individuals love that the maximum weight of the 50/50 CST is 325 pounds. Whether you're trying to lose weight or build endurance for an upcoming marathon, the included iFit free trial can help you meet your fitness goals. It offers an on-demand workout library and personalized training, and you can secure your tablet or smartphone directly to the ProForm's device attachment. ProForm is notorious for manufacturing high-quality, expensive treadmills, and the 505 CST is no exception. The price won't fit within every runner's budget, so if that's the case for you, you'll want to go with the more affordable NordicTrack machine instead. Number 3. Sunny Health and Fitness Asuna Spaceflex. For those of you who are really limited on space, treadmill size means everything. Sunny Health and Fitness is a brand that believes that everyone should be able to benefit from a home gym, even if you've chosen a tiny home lifestyle or are crammed into an NYC studio apartment. That's why SHNF designed the Asuna Spaceflex treadmill. The running surface is small, just 51 inches by 19 inches, but it's still entirely possible to get in shape with this machine. It offers a speed range of 0.6 to 8 miles per hour and 12 automatic incline levels that range from 2 to 5 degrees. Best of all, it can fold up into compact dimensions of 19-inch L x 28W x 57H and can hold up to 220 pounds when fully assembled. The technology behind this treadmill is what sets it apart from other compact electric machines. It's built with 6 separate LED windows that clearly display all your important workout data, like incline level, heart rate, calories, time, distance, step count, and speed. It has 8 integrated workout programs and gives you the ability to create your own workout with the 3 user customizable programs. To top it all off, there are ergonomic vertical handles with pulse sensors to accurately read your heart rate. The 2 most common complaints are minor, but they're worth noting. First, the maximum speed only reaches 8 miles per hour, while some of the best compact machines get up to 10. Second, the maximum capacity is 220 pounds, and a lot of people have to rule this one out merely on the fact that it can't hold enough weight. Number 4. Sunny Health and Fitness Asuna Space Saving. We've already covered one Asuna machine by Sunny Health, but there's one that's better for budget-weary apartment owners/renters. Although the 8730G is a more basic Asuna space-saving treadmill, it still offers everything you need for at-home cardio. Here's what Sunny Health has to say about this top-selling treadmill. Pack a powerful workout in a space-saving design with the slim folding motorized treadmill by Asuna. Supporting up to 220 pounds, this running deck, 49LX17.5W, has shock absorption technology that reduces the impact on your joints when you exercise. These are just a few of the features that make this machine deserving of all the positive reviews. The console is small, which not everyone loves, but it still delivers all the important information relating to your cardio workout, like time, distance, speed, and calories burned. You'll be able to watch your progress in real time with the 4-window display and even integrate your steps with the machine with the built-in pedometer. The 8730G has a max speed of 8 miles per hour with a peak motor power of 2.5 HP. However, the continuous power rating is just 1.25 HP. That means that this is one of the less powerful machines on this list. The only other drawback is the lack of incline adjustment. Number 5. Weslo Cadence G 5.9i. The Weslo Cadence G 5.9i, one of the most cost-effective fitness solutions on the market for homeowners and renters short on space. Weslo says that this machine lets you enjoy the privacy of at-home exercise. The Weslo Cadence G 5.9i was built to fit into your budget without sacrificing the quality of your workout or the space in your home. This machine can hold up to 275 pounds, so it falls right in the middle of the highest and lowest max user limits on this list. The top feature is its compatibility with iFit and the 1-month trial membership. The Bluetooth technology lets you easily connect to all your favorite iFit training sessions and listen to motivating personal trainers through the treadmill speakers. The 2.25 HP motor is pretty average, but you'll still be able to get up to 10 miles per hour on the G 5.9i. Another minor flaw, according to some, has to do with the width of the running belt. At 16 inches, it's a slimmer running surface than most other compact treadmills. If you struggle with stability and balance, you might want to go with a machine that has a wider belt.